everybody, this is Retanya, the real estate champion, Flowers. And today I am going to give you 5 tips on how to make your spring cleaning more efficient. You ready? Let's get started. Dun, 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 dun. Ow! You know I had to do my intro. Alright, so spring is here, but there are still some days when it's really cold outside and you just don't know what to do with yourself. Well, spring cleaning is exactly what those days are for. And now I'm going to tell you how to be more efficient at it. The first tip is to make sure you buy multi-purpose cleaning supplies. Not only will this save you some money, but these products will get the job done faster because you can use them on multiple surfaces. The second tip is to plan your work and work your plan. So, before you even grab the supplies, it is a good idea to sit down and map out your plan of attack, from the who's to the how's, making sure every family member knows what rooms they are responsible for, plus any specifics on how you want things cleaned. Knowing the plan will help spring cleaning go quickly and efficiently so you can get back to doing whatever you want. Now, you have your supplies, you have your plan in place, so the next thing to do is to start to clean. That's right. Start to clean. And in deciding where to start, you want to focus on the most important areas, which is tip number 3. So, if you have a large home or if you don't have a lot of time, you want to choose the rooms which are most visible, such as the living room, kitchen, or office. While you're in each room, be sure and exercise tip number 4, which is to declutter. One of the fastest and easiest ways to make your home look clean and spacious is to declutter. You don't have to keep things clean and tidy if they aren't there. So, take a look at what you really need and get rid of things you really don't. Once that room is clean and decluttered, the 5th and final tip is to turn off the lights and close the door. Why, you ask? Well, because tackling one room at a time and closing the door helps you see your progress, which helps provide additional motivation to keep working away. So, when you close the door, you move on to the next, both physically and mentally. You see what I'm saying? So, here are those tips again. Tip number 1, buy multi-purpose cleaning supplies. Tip number 2, plan your work and work your plan. Tip number 3, focus on the most important areas first. Tip number 4, don't forget to declutter. And tip number 5, tackle one room at a time and close the door when you're finished. I hope these tips help you in some way, and I thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I can be reached at info@therealestatechampion.com. And please feel free to visit my website, www.therealestatechampion.com, because you never know what you'll learn there too. Thank you again, and bye for now.